Well, here we are over at the Fascination game at the Retro Arcade, and guess who's here? It's Maryanne and Ginger. They're playing Fascination. They're having such a good time.
Yes, we are.
Oh my goodness.
So, what is this, the fourth night we're here?
Yes, they're here all the time. They are fascinated with Fascination, and they have secrets to the game. What is your secret to it?
You have to be nice to your balls. You have to be nice to your balls. You have to massage your balls and talk nice to them, and and powder them once in a while.
Do you name them?
No, what are you, nuts?
You don't have what? You massage and powder, but you don't name?
No, we don't want to get that close.
No.
All right, we got a new winner.
I won. I'm a winner.
She is a winner. Look how she did it over there. Bottom line. Let's try it again. All right, new games in play.
Here we go.
You know, I want you to know that she dressed up for the evening here. She didn't put her heels on. You didn't put your heels on, but you got your toes painted.
I didn't bring any.
She painted her toes. Did you see?
2 weeks ago.
Maybe 2 weeks ago. It's still holding.
2 weeks ago.
Well, what is the secret to toe painting? If that can last for 2 weeks, you can put a lot of, toe painters out of business.
She gave me this clear stuff that dries it and makes
You put a clear coat on.
clear coat.
Put a clear
Pronouns.
coat on. You put a couple of coats of clear on, and it doesn't wear down.
Yeah.
Are you able to paint your own toes, or do you have her do it?
I can do my.
You do it yourself?
Yeah. What's wrong with my feet?
Hey,
Oh, she got that one. There's
What's wrong with my feet?
gnarly.
Gnarly.
What?
I spent so long 2 weeks ago doing my feet
Yeah,
because I had that party and I had to wear those new shoes and I had to do my feet. So
Well, that's a new meaning of doing feet. Sometimes I have people do my feet here at Fascination.
I know,
but
I've seen that.
You've seen that.
I've
And
seen
you know
that.
what? Mary, are you coming down soon? You have to do feet. Feet, Mary, feet.
Yeah, do the feet. We want to see it on camera, live.
feet.
Yeah.
Right.
Mary loves doing feet.
Yes, I know. I've seen that.
You know what's interesting?
She won't touch my feet.
What do you mean you won't touch her feet?
She won't touch my feet.
Well, how does she do it when she does your toes?
She doesn't touch my feet.
Just the toes?
No, she doesn't touch my feet.
Just uses the brush?
No, I do my own feet.
You do your own feet?
Yeah.
Well, what's the word for that? Self-foot, infraction or something like that?
Self-pedicure.
Self-pedicure.
Self-sufficient.
Well, some people are just talented that way.
I know, right?
Some people are just broke and they can't afford to have other
Oh,
people.
I lost my glasses. My glasses. Wait a minute. My glasses are down here by your feet.
Hello? Excuse me.
Feet.
Hello? What are you doing down there?
I was looking for my glasses.
That's what they all say.
Oh.
You go down here, you gotta buy me dinner first. What, Ginger?
Oh,
I don't know, but you know what? It reminded me of the beach. It did. It was pretty fishy down there. Okay, we got a new winner. It's a bottom line over here. We'll try
and
do
there
it.
you go.
Here we go. Have you noticed? She really has very gentle and demure hands. Look at those hands. They're what? They're dainty. They're dainty little.
These hands?
Yes.
They're dainty hands. Did you see that?
Yeah, those hands. Be nice.
I better sit over here because
You're safer
those
over here with
dainty
me.
hands might stray.
They might strike you.
They might strangle you.
No, we
there's
love Randy.
There's an old There's an old saying: meet your friends at Fascination.
Yes.
And you might make some really good friends.
Yeah,
friends or
we've
beat
met
your
some
friends?
nice people here over the years.
Eat
Yes.
your friends or beat your friends?
No, meet.
Meet. She's trying to get that red line here.
And it's not working.
What do you mean? It's an easy one. You only need 2 of them.
Yeah, I only need two. Tell the ball that.
You need 2 out of 1.
It's going to come back.
I have to say
Yes.
that she has perfect lips. Have you noticed the lips?
Oh.
You.
You.
And you bring them back. Wait, she got the win. She got the win here. Perfect lips. Got the win across the board here. That was pretty good.
You're embarrassing her.
I'm embarrassing her. Well, you have just the right method of putting on your lipstick.
Well, you gotta.
And they're perfect.
That's because the painted lips are bigger than my lips.
Are they really?
Yeah.
What else do you paint?
Nobody else.
Well, it looks bigger when it's painted. You know, you have to paint the lips
Ay, ay, ay.
and the toes. And you're embarrassing the devils back there.
I know, right? They're turning red.
Thank God they don't look bigger when you paint them.
They're getting horny. Well,
Damn.
we just wanted to drop in and say hello, and since you know,
got bad.
Fascination, you know, is just so great that the Facebook was working so awful. Wait, you got it again. A diagonal line takes the game right over here.
All right.
That's pretty good. All right, well, girls, say goodbye to everybody,
Bye, everybody.
and they'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye. Come and see.